Hey everybody, Campbell Roland here. Hope you're doing well. Just shooting a short video for those who could not make tonight's call. We missed you and just wanted to share briefly what we talked about, very small part, as well as an offer for you that I think you would be interested in. So we talked about the kind of the 7 items why rent homes are so great and why they're a smart investing strategy. The first one is a higher than normal cash flow and very low maintenance costs. So that's super cool. I remember first hearing about lease options and rent to own, and that really struck me that you get higher than normal cash flow. All right, so number two is much, better returns, much lower maintenance fees, oftentimes zero maintenance fees, no realtor costs, no vacancy costs, mortgage paydown, and property appreciation. So that's pretty awesome. Number three, there is a growing demand for this service. With what we've gone through the past couple of years and people's finances and prices of homes going up, this is such a high demand need. And so it makes it a great investing opportunity. All right, so what I find, number four, is that more and better and more committed tenants. They just have more of an interest because they put a chunk of money down, right? These guys put down 10K. They had an invested interest in the property. They're going to own it someday. They take care of it like it's their own. That's incredible. Number five, win-win deals, right? When you're structuring these deals with investors, you can create win-win opportunities that everybody wins, which is fantastic. Problem solving is number six. Kyle, who's a coach here as well, he did his first rent to own on a flip that was going to lose money. He was going to sell it. He's going to lose money, turn it into a rent to own, and turned around and made an additional 50K from what he originally thought he was going to do. And number seven, the last one, you can grow your rental portfolio without the banks, otherwise known as no money down deals. So this changed my whole world. I was able to scale from 5 to 45 doors in 5 years using none of my own capital. So all that to say, these are 7 amazing reasons why you should consider putting together rent-own deals. So what I want to offer to you is the following weekend, June 7th and 8th, Saturday and Sunday in the mornings for 4 hours, we're going to be doing a 2-day lease option accelerator. Basically, we're going to go do a deep dive in how these deals work, the contracts, the numbers, all that good stuff, how to find great tenants, how to qualify them and weed out the bad ones. And so it's a 2-day intensive. It's going to be super good. It's interaction. And I've done this before. We've had great success with our students who've come out to this. So normally it's $297, but I'm going to be dropping the price to $47. But for those of you who had signed up and are watching this video, because I'm not going to leave this video up very long, what I'm going to do is, let me just change my screen here. So let's see here. Okay, so we're going to do it for $27. So this page is for those of you who aren't part of the Create Investor platform here. It's on school. You can see. If you're not signed up already, just go here and click this, join for $27. That'll give you immediate access to the 2-day accelerator course, which comes up next weekend. For those of you who are already in the community, what you do is you go here to, okay, so there's a community, like if you're a member, and you go to the classroom, you go click on this. So currently it says 247 for tonight. This is Thursday night. I'm going to drop it to $27. So you just go in there, sign up. That's USD. So it's like $40 Canadian for 4 hours over 2 days. So 8 hours of training on how to put together these deals. That's an amazing value. You'll walk away with very tangible next steps and know whether or not this is a strategy for you. So just when you go here, it'll say $27. If you're not yet a student, you know that it'll be down here in the right-hand corner for $27. So like I said, I'm only leaving that up for tonight. Like I won't get up at midnight and turn off, but it's going to be shut off pretty quick. And I really hope that you take advantage of this deal, and we'll see you next weekend. All right. Take care.